Something we all know. One thing we not for. Nothing but pain, stuck in this game. Searching for fortune, fame.
What's good, people? Back with another video. So you know about that time, let you know what's on my mind. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. And as you can see, man, a little rain going on right now. You know, I'm a Pisces, so I love the rain, you know what I'm saying, water sign and all that. But it just made me think, man, you know what I'm saying, rain, how do you view the rainy days in your life, man? You know what I'm saying? At the end of the day, rain ain't nothing but water. You know what I'm saying? You drink water, you shower with water. You know what I'm saying? Like, you use water, you can't survive without water. You know what I'm saying? So how are you viewing the rainy days in your life, man? You know what I'm saying? Can't nothing on this earth survive without water. You know what I'm saying? These plants need water, trees need water. You know what I'm saying? As humans and all the animals need water. You know what I'm saying? It's the source of life, you know, amongst other things. But it's one of the main sources of life, man. You can't survive without it, you know. And how are you viewing the rainy days in your life, man? You know what I'm saying? And one thing about the rain gives the earth the nourishment it needs. And it also does things like cleanse the earth, you know what I'm saying? So us as people, you know, we have rain coming down on us and have rainy days in our life. You know, you can look at that at the rainy days as, you know, something that's cleansing, and you know, and look at yourself as a plant, and you know, and the rain is giving you the nutrients and the ability that you need to grow. You know what I'm saying? You can look at it like that. Or, you know, if you got a bad perspective on things, then, you know, rain can also do stuff like rush shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, and that's what a lot of us do. A lot of us carry our rain around with us. You know what I'm saying? Even when the storms done pass, you know what I'm saying, and the rain could be gone, but we still carry the rain around in our mind. So instead of using that rain water, you know, we're using the rain, which is water, to nourish us and help us grow and cleanse us. You know what I'm saying? We allow that rainwater to sit in our mind, sit in our brain, sit in our conscious, you know what I'm saying, sit in our spirit, and then what it start to do is start to rust. You know what I'm saying? That water start to rust and cut through it. Just like if you let water sit on the rainwater sit just on the flat roof. You know what I'm saying? Eventually, it's going, if it sit there long enough, it's going to eventually eat through everything and erode and rust, you know what I'm saying, and leave holes and things, you know what I'm saying? So you got to do like the Beatles say and fix the holes, you know what I'm saying, where the rain getting in, you know what I'm saying? It'll stop your mind from wandering, you know what I'm saying? Like, that's what you got to do, man. You got to do that, you know. You can't allow the rain in your life to, you know, sit on your roof and rust and rot through, you know, the things that's in there. You know what I'm saying? That, you know, rot through your consciousness, rot through your spirit, you know what I'm saying? Now you just a person that's just rusted on the inside, rotting in the inside, you know what I'm saying? And that come from carrying around that rain, man, you know what I'm saying? And so that rain would be equivalent to, you know, the situations in life that we consider like rainy days, you know what I'm saying, the negative situations, the hardships, and, you know, the setbacks and the downfalls, you know what I'm saying. You can't keep carrying those things around, you know what I'm saying. Let it be like the rain from the earth. Let it come down, let it do what it do, and you know what I'm saying. And sometimes rain cause damage, you know what I'm saying. Storms cause damage, you know what I'm saying. Storms cause damage, you know. Rain, you know, yeah, storms, it'll knock some trees down, you know what I'm saying. It'll blow some shit away. It'll, you know, like flood. Sometimes stuff flood and all that, you know what I'm saying. But if you think about it, you know, even after a flood and the flood water start to recede, you know what I'm saying, it's still room for flourishment and all that. So it's just like you know, so in your life, you know, you might have some floods, you might have some thunderstorms, some a hurricane that come through and tear up hell, you know what I'm saying. The rain might come down like that in your life, but at the same time, like I said, The same way in a thunderstorm or a hurricane, when that rain come down and those storms recede, you know, it's time to rebuild. You know what I'm saying? Now, if it ain't no rebuilding going on, then the neighborhood or whatever was in the eye of the hurricane, you know what I'm saying? Whatever was left and remain would just remain to be destroyed and tattered and, you know, just in disarray. But, you know, after the storms go away, it's time to go in and, you know, you see construction and building and all that, and, you know, contractors go in and rebuild and replenish, you know, what was once there, and a lot of times build it up to be better than it was before. You know what I'm saying? And we gotta look at it the same way in our life, man. When them storms come through, when that rain come down, is you gonna, you know, allow it to, you know, even if it's whether it be a light shower or a motherfucking category 5 hurricane, you know what I'm saying? When it come through your life and those storms happen, you know what I'm saying? What are you gonna do after it? You know what I'm saying? Take shelter while it's going on, but after it, are you gonna allow the damage to remain? Or are you gonna work on rebuilding it? Are you gonna allow the rain to continue to sit on your roof and rot and rust, you know what I'm saying, everything that's in its path? You know what I'm saying? Are you gonna allow the hurricanes to come through and destroy everything that was in its path? You know what I'm saying? Or are you gonna rebuild, restore, and recenter yourself and replenish and come back even stronger? You know what I'm saying? The way that you're supposed to do it. So, you know what I'm saying? That's the, you know, it just depends on how you look at the rain in your life, man. You know what I'm saying? That's how you got to look at it. The rain today, as above, so below. You know what I'm saying? Everything in his life is correlated and related in some type of way. You know what I'm saying? It all coincides. So, you know what I'm saying? You can just use that analogy of the rain and the storms and the weather, you know, and the environment versus the rains and storms in your life, you know, which will be situational. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, it's all about switching your perspective and, you know, knowing how to approach it, man. So with that being said, hey, man, that's today's video. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Do all the good YouTube stuff, man. You know what I'm saying? Hey, stay on your grind. Don't let nobody stop you. You don't need validation from nobody but yourself. Until next video, I'm up out of here, man. Peace, love. Don't let that rain bother you. Let's get it.
Something we all know. One thing we die for. Nothing but pain. Stuck in this game. Searching for fortune.